So we'll see some problems, and this is two problems where you have to find out the jet parameters. Previous day we have seen some resistive circuit. Now you can see here this is a inductor is present, capacitor is present. So how to solve it? So to apply, you can see here it is a pi network. This look like pi. This look like pi. So you will get from your lab manuals. I already told you to solve the lab manuals problem, lab manual problems. So there you can see that one T network is present, one pi network is present, but these are resistive component. But here you can see that R, L, C, these three are present. So if I'll apply supply voltage, because we have to find out jet parameters, and you have to open circuit this, and how to solve this type of problem. So here what you can do, either you can convert it in a if it is given, here it is not, আচ্ছা আমি দেখে নি এক মিনিট কি দেওয়া আছে, so it is not given here, so you can consider it as a j1. Okay, this is minus j because a capacitor 1 by j omega s. Either you can take it as a in s domain, or you can convert it in a j. That means if it is given in j, then it is okay. Otherwise you can convert it in a j form or in a s domain form. So now I am considering that it is given in this form. So j ohm, suppose this is a plus j ohm and 1 ohm, I'm seeing what is given. I think this is j ohm, so this is j ohm. So you can see, you have seen already this figure in your manual. So but here you will get a resistive circuit, T and pi both are connected, though here one resistance are present, but here this T network with this two configuration. Now first we'll solve this circuit, second we'll solve this circuit. So if I'll consider this circuit, so this is a plus j ohm, it is given in ohm form. If it is in a capacity microfarad or millihenry or henry form, if the value is given in this form, then you have to either convert it in a s domain or you have to convert in a j domain. That means you have to convert in a ohm, right? So if I'll give here, you can see that current source is given. We'll give what we'll give here. We'll give supply voltage V1. So first draw this circuit and write it here V1. So supply V1, if I'll provide here, then what I will get here, current I1 is flowing through this path, and here this is open circuit, so we can measure V2, right? So either you can find out here equivalent impedance. So V1 by equivalent impedance, you will get current I1, or you can find out V1 by I1, that is equal to equivalent impedance, that is equal to Z11. So what is this parallel? This two one is 1 minus J series, and these are parallel. So 1 minus J parallel J. So this is our Z11. So this is very easy. Just V1. If you want to find out I1, then what you have to find out? You have to find out the impedance. This is the open circuit. So if you can find out the equivalent impedance, Z equivalent or Z, so V1 into by Z is equal to I1. Now V1 by I1 is equal to Z11, that is equal to Z equivalent. So this answer is 1 plus J. Next, you have to find out V2. So already I mentioned when Thevenin's theorem we have completed, or the last day we have seen that the voltage drop across this path is equal to the V2. So what is the voltage drop across this path? So voltage drop, so what we have to find out? I have to find out the current flow what amount of current is flowing through this path. So if I can find out the current I1 here, then I can apply current division rule. So now you apply current division rule and check this answer is right or wrong. It is done here. So you just copy from here uh, and you check also that this answer is right or wrong and tell me. So today you have to solve 2-3 problems. So take your paper and pen and you have to show your answer also. Because if I'll tell you and you will listen, but it will not solve your problem. You will face lots of problem to solve this type of two-port network. So better now take a paper and pen and draw this circuit, find out equivalent impedance. So this is very easy because these two are in series and with this is parallel. So the answer is right or wrong, just check it. And if you'll get equivalent impedance, then you can find out V by this equivalent impedance, that is equal to I1. Now if you'll get I1, then find out what is current I0. You can take another current I1 prime, I2 prime, whatever, but apply current division rule and find out what is I0 and check this I0 is right or wrong and tell me. I'm giving you 5 minutes. And this circuit is very easy. Within 8 minutes, you have to solve this type of problem. You can also apply nodal method here. If we will take here V1, those who are efficient in nodal method, they can apply nodal method also here. If you supply V1 here, take here VA and VB. So VA minus V, so VA is equal to V1. So whatever the voltage will be present here, that is equal to VA. So if you can find out VB minus VA by j ohm, VB by 1, so VB by 1 that is equal to V2, right? So you can find out in this way also. So V1, what is V1? If you can find out, then you can find out what is V1 and what is VB. If you can find out VB, that is equal to V2. If you can find out, if you can tell here VA, what is the VA, then here you can find out also current. So I think it is better to here apply this way impedance to find out impedance and then apply current division rule. Otherwise, it will make complicated. So here find out impedance and check this impedance is right or wrong and then find out what is apply current division rule and find out this answer is right or wrong. Otherwise you can apply mesh method. For considering that two voltage sources are present, apply current here. That means due to this voltage source, current will flow to in this way, and due to this voltage source, current will flow this way, I1, I2 and I3. And from this you can find out what is I1 and I3, sorry I2. So V1, then you can find out what is V1, I1, I2 and V2. Then you can find out the Z11, Z12, Z21, Z22. So this way also you can find out. So anyway, you can find out, just tell me what is I0. Because if you can find out I0, I0 into 1 that is equal to V2. I need V2. So whatever the method you will apply, just tell me what is V2. Is there any doubt? Am I audible? My voice is clear properly? Okay. So this answer is right. This answer is right from anyone, zone 1, zone 2, zone 3. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am, right.
Next, find out what is I0. Check it, I0 is right or wrong. Total current by opposite inductance by total impedance. So we can see that here I0 into J by J minus J plus 1. So I think this is right. True?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is V2 next? V2 is equal to I0 into 1. So we can get JI1. Now from here we can find out V2 by I1, J21 is equal to J. Similarly, we can apply here voltage. And now second part is do it here open circuited. Do not apply here current source. This figure you can see here current source is apply. You will apply here voltage source. Okay. So you will write here V2 and now V1 is open circuited. So if we'll give V2 the same way you can find out Z12 and Z22 because this is the whole impedance. Now you can see that if you give supply here V2, the what is the impedance J1 minus J1 and this J is now in series with this parallel. So minus J plus J this is 0. So parallel to the y. So this is equal to 0. Exactly Z equivalent is now 0. If I'll give supply here, Z equivalent is now 0. So Z22 is 0. Now what is Z12? So from this concept, you will find out what is Z12. So this is the answer. You will check this answer is right or wrong. So from this, we can see here Z12 and Z21 both are equal. So we can see here this is passive network. So in passive network, we know this will be a reciprocal network. So from this we can see Z12 is equal to Z21. So this is a reciprocal network, but this is not a symmetrical because Z11 not equal to Z22. You will check this answer, just write this answer and you will check that this answer is right or wrong because we have got impedance here 0. Okay. So the next portion you have to find out what is the current flowing through this path. Now the what amount of current will flow through this path, this multiplied with this J and that it would be a V1. So V1 by I2 that is equal to Z12. You have to check Z12 is equal to J is right or wrong. Okay. Next is the this circuit. So this is your task. You will do the same thing, but just you have to take this portion. These two are parallel. With this is series. And now if it is a open circuit, then this has no part. So you can see these two are parallel with this. This one is series and this one is parallel. Right? Am I right? Am I right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
No,
Ma'am,
I am
second
wrong. Right.
ma'am,
Because
second
this
period
is a
did
series.
not understand.
This is not a parallel. These two are parallel with this one is series. And if a current flow through this path, so that means this is a series because no current will flow through this path. So you can convert this circuit in this way and you can find out what is the equivalent Z11, equivalent impedance. Then you can find out V1 by this equivalent impedance, that is equal to I1. Right? Now the voltage drop across this path is equal to V2. So you can find out V2 also. So this is your task and this you will solve and show me in the next week offline class. Okay. So draw this circuit and you will solve this circuit. I will show you the answer and we'll check also that your answer is right or wrong. If you face any problem to solve it, you will also show me. And if your answer is right, then also you will show me. So just draw this circuit. So next week, Tuesday or Monday, I will tell you. That means before Monday, you will complete this circuit. Monday or Tuesday, I will see your copy. May I go to next slide? Or will I wait? Okay. So next is this circuit. This circuit is easy because also you can see this type of circuit T network in your lab manual. So just I am showing you because you have to solve your problem before coming to your lab. Already how to solve pi network I told you. Here just you will get resistance, here inductance and capacitance are present. The same way you have to solve, already I have shown you the T network for ABCD parameter, right? Now today I am showing you for Y parameter how to solve it. So now what you have to do before coming to your lab, this T and pi network, the same network, just you have to find out for theoretical data, you will complete your table theoretical data and just keep your that means you have, first what you have to do, you have to take a A4 sheet, you have to draw a circuit for 3 experiments Z, Y and ABCD. 3 experiments, you will take 3 A4 sheet page. For rough sheet you can use both sides, but for fair sheet, that means when you will submit your lab copy, that time you will use only one side. Okay, so just take 3 rough sheet, A4 sheet. There you will draw a circuit. First write a title, your name, roll number, then your title of the experiments. Then draw the circuit only, which circuit you are solving. These 2 circuits you will solve. So first take the circuit and there you can write theoretical application, theoretical, or what you can do, the theoretical যেহেতু তোমাকে submit করতে হবে, as you have to submit the theoretical data, you can take a 1 A4 sheet where you can solve the theoretical. That means you can take your figure and you can solve theoretically. This A4 sheet you don't use for other purposes. Take another A4 sheet where you will just write your name, roll number, title of your experiments and draw the circuit. Then draw the table, write the table. Okay, apparatus table. apparatus table তোমাদের কি কি লাগবে তার জন্য components গুলো breadboard, multimeter, DC power supply and resistance, wires. ঠিক আছে, এই কম্পোনেন্ট নেম গুলো লিখে রাখবে 1 2 3 4 5 and the value, that means range, type, quantity, this will write when you will solve this problem through practically. Next, draw the table, theoretical as well as practical. যে টেবিলটা তোমাদের দেওয়া আছে সেই টেবিলটা ড্র করবে। So whatever the theoretical calculation you have done, this theoretical data only put there. Theoretical calculation যেখানে করবে, don't write anything there because this page you have to submit finally. So, and do not use both sides. If you need 2 pages to solve theoretical problem, then use 2 pages. Don't use both sides because this is a evidence. Now this is completed. Now what is the current I2? I2, because short circuited current. Now what is I2 here? So if you get current here I1, then you can apply current division rule. So you can find out what is I2. So next I2 by V1, you can get a J21. Sorry, Y21, right? So you can find out what is Y21. Now in this circuit, Y21 is equal to -1. So as you will solve this same circuit for 100 ohm, and that's why I'm not going to this. Just I'm telling you the method, how to solve it. The same way already I told you, but again I'm telling you, if you give supply here, you will just short circuit this path. Now you can see that these two are parallel and with this series. So find out I1 by V1. This is our Z equivalent. So I1 by V1 is equal to 1 by Z equivalent. Then you can get Y1. Next is
ম্যাম
হ্যাঁ বলো,
ম্যাম আপনি কি কিছু প্রেজেন্ট করছেন?
শো করছে না?
না কিছু দেখাচ্ছে না।
না ম্যাম।
কোন জায়গা? এক মিনিট
5 মিনিট ধরেই কিছু মানে শোনা যাচ্ছিল
আচ্ছা
না।
ঠিক আছে, আমি আরেকবার বলছি। না আমার কথাগুলো শোনা গেছে তো, যেগুলো আমি বললাম ল্যাব নিয়ে? ঠিক আছে। So this circuit, now it is you can see this circuit. Now it is visible.
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম।
Okay.
ইয়েস ম্যাম।
So you can see this circuit is the same circuit in your lab manuals. You will get Y for Y parameters. How to find out Y parameters? Here you will get 100 ohm, 100 ohm, and 100 ohm. So same circuit, just here is it is given 1 by 3 ohm, 1 by 3 ohm, 1 by 3 ohm. Now what is the method you will apply, that I am telling you now. So this method you will apply for your lab manual. That means the problem which is given in your lab manual. And you can see this is a T network. T network I already mentioned how to solve for ABCD parameters and how to solve for Z parameters. The same অনেকগুলো সাইন দিয়ে যেতে পারো, কিন্তু আমার শেষ হবে 1টা 20-তে।
তারপরে নিয়ে যাবো।
ঠিক আছে।
লাইব্রেরি যেগুলো আছে না, সব লাইব্রেরি যেগুলো আছে কাজে খালি এইখানটা করে দেবো, বাকি ফরওয়ার্ড।
ওখানে ফর দিয়ে করে দেবো তো?
হ্যাঁ, ফর দিয়ে দেবো।
So you can see there, this is a short circuit. So we can see these two are parallel and this is series. Now you can in Z to find out Z11 what we have done, V1 by I11 that is equal to Z equivalent that is equal to Z11. But now you have to find out I1 by V1 that is equal to Y11. Now if you will get I1, then you can find out what is current flowing through this path, and that is equal to minus of I2 because current is flowing minus I2 is flowing towards this. So as I am taking current towards this direction, that's why I have to just reverse this current. Just I am showing you. The same thing I have done. So if I'll get here, if I know I1, then I can find out what is I0. Now our target is to find out I2 and I2 direction is towards this. So I2 is equal to now minus of I0. So you can find out what is I0 using current division rule. So just doing it minus, you can find out what is I2. So if you know I1, I2 and V1, you can find out Y11 and Y21. Similarly, you will give supply here and do the short circuit of this path, and then due to this voltage source V2, current will be I2. Now current direction, if you apply current division rule, then you can find out I0 prime. Now what is I0 prime? That is minus of I0 prime, that is equal to I1. So this you have to do, and whatever the answer you will get for your circuit is 100 ohm, 100 ohm or 100 kilo ohm. Check it, ohm or kilo ohm. So if it is a kilo ohm, then you will find out in impedance is you will get in admittance you will get Siemens or mho. So you will just write the unit, and if it is you are finding out current, then it would be a milliampere, right? So you have to whatever the data you will get here, just solving this circuit, theoretical data you will put in figure A. Theoretical data, fill up this theoretical data. For do not write any V1 and V2. V1 and V2 is now a that means just a variable. This variable may be a 10 volt, maybe a 8 volt. So what would be this voltage that will write in your when you will solve the practically, that time will tell you what amount of voltage you will supply, that time you will write. But due to this changing of supply impedance, this network will not change because this is a resistive, this portion is a resistive network. So this will not change, whatever the voltage you will change here. Voltage, if voltage will change, current will change, so ratio will be same. So you can find it out for any taking arbitrary voltage or variable voltage. Whenever I'll tell you in the practical class what is the voltage, just you will put the voltage value on this theoretical as well as practical data. Okay. So this is the thing. And the next problem, if you cannot understand, please ask me. Otherwise, I cannot understand that you are getting my point or not. Acha, next, this circuit. Now, any lateral entry student is present.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell me this source? What is this source? Which type of this source? This is a dependent or independent source?
Ma'am, independent current source.
Acha. Next, anyone from lateral entry to lateral koto?
Ma'am, lateral
কারেন্ট
60.
ডিপেন্ডেন্ট কারেন্ট সোর্স।
আচ্ছা, তুমি কে বলছো কারেন্ট ডিপেন্ডেন্ট কারেন্ট সোর্স?
ম্যাম রাহুল দে।
হ্যাঁ,
রাহুল দে।
না নাম বললে হবে না, রোল নাম্বার বলো।
রোল নাম্বার হচ্ছে লেটারাল 13
lateral 13 current dependent current source,
কারেন্ট
right?
সোর্স।
So we can see here that one current dependent, this is a dependent source, so this is a current dependent current source. Now here you have to find out the y parameters. So how to find out? First, give supply here V1. This would be a short circuit, just like this. This would be a short circuit, so no V2 is present. V2 is equal to 0. Now if V1 is present, then I can take it here I1. So if I'll take it as a I1, then what I'm getting, this current source depends on this current. So if I'll take it as a I1, so I can replace this I as a I1. So we can take as a 2I1. Now just to solve it, so this is a short circuit. Now you can apply nodal method. So if I'll apply nodal method, then how to write? Then V, if I'll take here as a, they have taken V0, so I am taking a V0. V0 minus V1, because supply is V1, V0 minus V1 by 8, V0 by 2, and 1 current is flowing out. So plus 2I. Plus 2I means 2I1. Right? Now here no voltage is present. This is a short circuit. So V0 by 4. So this is a complete. I am telling you again, V0 minus V1 by 8, V0 by 2. This is short circuit. So V0 by 4, and another current source, current is flowing through this outward from this node. So plus 2I. Now solve this circuit. And how to solve? Because here you can see V0 is how to solve V0, because this is containing I1. Now what is I1? I1 is equal to V1 minus V0 by 8. So replace I1 by V1 minus V0 by 8. Now write this equation and solve and find out and tell me what is V0. One from regular student, one from lateral student. Tell me what is find out V0. I already mentioned the equation. Just solve it and tell me what is the value of V0. So you can see this is a very small circuit. you will get only 10 to 15 minutes to solve it. কারণ as per the circuitry, I'll check how much time is required. Based on this, I will give the another problem in the examination. So if the circuitry can be solved within a 15 to 20 minutes, maximum 20 minutes consider করে কিন্তু আমি এটার মার্কসও দেব এবং তার পরের কোয়েশ্চেনটাও রেডি হবে। সুতরাং if you cannot solve it and if you take 30 minutes, and that means one or two questions, ultimately you cannot answer all the questions. You cannot solve 70 marks question. So you have to practice. বলো, what is the value of V0?
ম্যাম 2i into 2
কত?
2 into parallel resistance into current 2 into 2
আরেকবার বলবে, শুনতে পাচ্ছি না, বুঝতে পারছি কেটে যাচ্ছে কথাগুলো।
আমি বলছিলাম ওই প্যারালাল
can
যে
show-
রেজিস্ট্যান্স
You can also show me. তুমি আমাকে দেখাতেও পারো, কে দেখাচ্ছ, কে বলছো। দাঁড়া, আমি স্টপ করি প্রেজেন্টেশনটা। You can also show me. বলো, কে ছিলে, দেখাতে চাইছিলে।
ম্যাম আমি বলছি ওই
হ্যাঁ,
প্যারালাল
দেখো, তুমি চাইলে দেখাতে পারো তোমার যেটা প্রবলেমটা সলভ করেছো। দাঁড়াও।
আমি এইখানে মানে এতটা করেছি
দেখি কি
এখান থেকে
করেছো। এইটা কপি করেছো কেন?
এটা তো
V0
এমনি
মাইনাস V1/8 নিজে করবে, কখনো কপি করবে না, তাহলে কিন্তু ভুল হলে আর আমার ঠিক করার কোনো অপশন নেই, কারণ আমি জানি না যে প্রবলেমটা দেওয়া আছে, করা আছে, সেটা রাইট আর রং। এই জন্য আমি স্টুডেন্টদের সবসময় বলি তোমরা নিজেরা করবে। The first equation, if your first equation is right, then the second part I will go. If your first equation is wrong, then I won't see the next line. So do not copy from anyone. Write your equation in your own. If it is right, it may happen that other can do the wrong thing. Answer would be right, but if your first line or middle line is wrong, whatever your answer, won't see this. That's why I don't know this is right or wrong. But where is your problem? Please just tell me again. Hello, Saurabh, tell me where is the problem?
না আমি বলছিলাম ওই প্যারালাল যে রেজিস্ট্যান্সটা মানে সার্কিটটা ছিল এরকম তো এরকম দিয়ে আর এর প্যারালালে একটা এখানে রেজিস্ট্যান্স ছিল আর এখানে ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্ট
আসছে
কারেন্ট
না।
সোর্স মানে এরকম মানে ডায়াগ্রামটা এরকম ছিল তো এখানের যে রেজিস্ট্যান্সটা ছিল 2 ওহম আর এইখানে হ্যালো ম্যাম দেখতে পাচ্ছেন হ্যালো ম্যাম হ্যালো ম্যাম হ্যালো
হ্যালো, সৌরভ।
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম শোনা
তো-
যাচ্ছে হ্যালো ম্যাম
হ্যাঁ
শোনা যাচ্ছে
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, শোনা যাচ্ছে। তোমার লাইনটা কেটে যাচ্ছিল, এবার আমার লাইনটা কেটে গেছিল। বলো।
হ্যাঁ আমি বলছিলাম এই যে ডায়াগ্রামটা তো এরকম ছিল এখানে একটা রেজিস্ট্যান্স
হ্যাঁ,
2 ওহমের আর প্যারালালে যে রেজিস্ট্যান্সটা আছে এ- এর মধ্যে দিয়ে যে কারেন্টটা যাচ্ছে মানে 2I তাহলে এই কারেন্টটা ইনটু এই রেজিস্ট্যান্সটাই তো এই ভোল্টেজটা হবে
না না, এখন তো তোমার এটা শর্ট সার্কিট, এটা ওপেন সার্কিট নয়।
না তাহলে প্যারালাল মানে কোনটা হবে ম্যাম ভোল্টেজটা
Hello. আচ্ছা, some network issues is going on. তোমরা অ্যাটেন্ডেন্সটা আগে দিয়ে নাও, পরে কথা শুনছি। আর যেটুকুনি বাকি রইলো নেক্সট কালকে করিয়ে দেবো। আচ্ছা, আর একটা জিনিস আমি শুধু দেখিয়ে দিচ্ছি, যারা ল্যাটারাল এন্ট্রি, they will solve this circuit. This is their assignment. I'm showing you just 1 minute. Those who are lateral entry, they will submit this assignment next week. Hard copy. Okay. This is the assignment for lateral entry student. They will submit this problem and they will submit this hard copy next week Tuesday. This is a transmission line parameter for two-port network. So just here you will give a supply and V1. You will give a supply V1, open circuit, find out V1, I1 and V2. Then do the short circuit, find out V1, I1 and I2. Simple circuit. So this you will solve it and you will submit in the next week. আচ্ছা, যেটা বলার ছিল সেটা আমি বলে দিলাম। এই সার্কিটটা যারা রেগুলার and lateral, this circuit already I mentioned, just you will complete it. Due to this network issues, I am not going through this, and the rest কোনটা বলেছিলাম, this circuit, regular students as well as lateral entry students, you will solve this problem and next week you will show me. You don't have to submit it, you will just show me, anyone I can ask. So you will solve this circuit and you will show me. But those who are lateral entry students, they will submit this problem. This problem. Okay. So now give me attendance. Number 2, 3,
Yes, ma'am.
5, 8, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18,
Present, ma'am. 17.
18, 19, 20, 21.
Yes, ma'am. 21.
Roll number bolo. Tell your roll number.
21.
21. 22,
Yes, ma'am. 22.
23, 24, 25,
Yes, ma'am. 25.
27,
Yes, ma'am.
32, 34, 35, 36.
Present, ma'am. 36.
I'm not getting your voice. Just write your roll number in the chat box. 37, 38, 39,
Yes, ma'am. 39.
39 given. 40,
Yes, ma'am. 40.
41, 42, 43, 44,
Yes, ma'am. 44.
44.
Yes,
ma'am,
44.
Okay. 45, 46,
Yes, ma'am.
47,
Yes, ma'am, present. 47.
48, 49, 50,
Present, ma'am. 50.
52,
Hello, ma'am. Shobik. Shobik.
hello,
Ma'am, roll.
am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
আচ্ছা, লাস্ট তোমাদের কখন কেটে গেছে আমি বুঝতে পারিনি।
50 ma'am.
51.
51, রাইট। আচ্ছা, 52,
Ma'am, 59, 49.
49, দাঁড়া এক
Ma'am,
মিনিট।
can you please give attendance the roll number 48?
48, তাইসুর রহমান।
Yes, ma'am.
48, 49, 50,
Ma'am, 50 হয়েছে 50 present, ma'am.
52, 53, 54, 54, 50, এক মিনিট, 55, 56, 57,
Yes, ma'am. 57.
61,
Yes, ma'am.
lateral 1, lateral 2, lateral 3, lateral 4, lateral 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I
Lateral 5.
audible?
Lateral
আচ্ছা,
5.
lateral 5,
Yes, ma'am.
lateral 6,
Yes, ma'am. Lateral 6.
lateral 7,
Yes, ma'am. Lateral 7.
lateral 8,
Yes, ma'am.
lateral 9,
Yes, ma'am.
lateral 10, lateral 11,
Yes, ma'am.
Riazul Islam,
Yes, ma'am.
lateral 12, lateral 13,
Yes, ma'am. Little 13.
lateral 14,
Present, ma'am. Lateral 14.
lateral 15,
Present, ma'am. Lateral
lat-
15.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
লাস্ট তোমরা কতদূর শুনতে পেয়েছো? lateral 16,